So, note to myself, I'm going to try to pay attention to the street names a lot more today, so there is no confusion. But we're in Chinatown right now. So let's stroll around here, Chinatown. Okay. So yeah, gonna be spending some time today in Manhattan. Little big guy, got the little big guy rolling. Pocket 3 camera. Little big guy holding it down. Got him in the bag, so far not overheating. Cool. Might do a little streaming today. Look at that ramen shop. Jace Juicin Ramen. Wow. Wow, somebody got a parking spot there. That is like unheard of. That is amazing. Oh, I don't know. They got a parking spot there. Wow. It's like crazy wild to get a parking spot right here in Chinatown. Truck loading only, it says right here, but maybe nobody bothers you if you go in and out, maybe. Yeah, it's pretty wild. Okay, so we're here in Chinatown, the center area. And this church is my landmark. Okay, mosque, Moscow, Corky Lee Way. So I remember from last time and right now, going back, the tree is the church is on my right, and then Worth is up that way behind me. That's very cool. Cool. We got some people here at the church. That's very awesome. It's very awesome.
I lost my phone.
Oh no, you lost your phone?
I thought I did.
Oh.
This is my backpack.
Oh man.
Keep it there, right, sir?
Yeah, you gotta be careful.
I never lose my backpack.
No, don't.
Keep it there, right?
Yeah, yeah.
All right, thank you, sir.
Gotta be, whoa, gotta be careful.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I know, dude. I was like,
yeah, you gotta.
Especially here in this area, it's a bad area.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, Chinatown's a really bad area. So
it can be.
Yeah, that's why. No,
a lot of bad stuff going on right now.
It's really bad, dude. It's not like the regular people like you and I. It's like the drug addicts.
Oh.
You know, they steal and they're violent and shit like that.
Oh yeah.
It's really bad, dude.
Gotta watch your back.
I tell, like, you know, I have my cigarette connection. I buy like a whole pack for like $3.
Oh, okay.
From the Broadway Mall, and that's it. I kind of work. I make some money and shit like that, and then I leave. After that, I leave. I don't.
Yeah.
I used to stay and shit, but they steal all my phones and shit, all my electronics, my laptops and shit, like for a living. Like,
wow. Yeah.
I really don't.
Gotta lock it down, man.
I don't. No, I just don't.
I'm from Jersey. I don't come here with much, man.
I go to Union City.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I frequent Union City.
Okay.
I frequent West Street.
Oh yeah, cool.
And
there's car.
Jersey City.
Yeah, Jersey City's cool.
Jersey City.
Cool, brother. Awesome. Nice meeting you. I don't know. He said there's a lot of crime going on. I don't know. Maybe. It could be. Whoa, look over here. So many people. So yeah, we're on the corner of, we're on Mott, right by Mott here, and Pell Street, Mott and Pell Street. So yeah, let's just soak in the scene, everyone. Just gonna walk around, soak in the scene. Might have to plug in little big guy. He's okay right now. I'm gonna plug him in though. Let's get little big guy plugged in. Okay, so we got little big guy plugged in. Yeah, he's good. Little big guy's plugged in. He's good to go.
Yes, you need a cold drink. This water is making me pee.
Okay, fine.
They made it.
She's got a tea shop right there.
Not underage. But do you see should I close Really? Speakeasy food?
You'll get home tired, you'll knock out.
This is the wrong way.
Strolling around Chinatown. Let's go, let's go.
You're right. Yeah, buddy. Like, that's the